Little bits are tiny gadgets used to make something work when put together, kind of like Legos, but with moving parts. Today I will show you how to make one little bit device, the car. To start off, you will need these following parts. Battery, power cable, blue power bit, orange split bit, orange Bluetooth bits, green bits, white motor bits, wheels, white block tray. Start by taking the battery and the white cable with the two circular ends and the round tip. Plug the round tip into the circular hole on the blue bit. When you plug these two together, flick the switch on the blue bit and make sure the light comes on. Then put the blue end of the power bit with the battery on the orange split bit with the single side with the two wires on the other side. The bits are magnetic, so there's no way you will get it wrong. On the two sides of the orange bit you just put together, put the single orange bits with the small light bulbs on both, then the green bit with the wire with the white box. After all of this is together, you are almost done. You need to put the bits on the white block tray like putting together some Legos. After the bits are on the tray, you can put the wheels on. The sticks on the white motor bits have a flat side, and so does the wheel. Make sure it lines up before putting it on. After the bits are on the tray, you can use a little glue or tape to put on the rollerball on the bottom of the tray to make the car spin smoother. Be sure to press hard so that it sticks. You can turn the power switch on to make it spin and drive, or move it yourself. There are tons of different bits included in the box, so be sure to play around with them to change it up. Have fun with your newly built car.